If you're diving into the academic realm in Coventry this year, your quest for the perfect student accommodation ends here. Introducing 33 Parkside Coventry, a home to call your own. Nestled in the heart of Coventry, 33 Parkside offers a haven of comfort with a range of luxurious studios and two-bed apartments where each room is a masterpiece, featuring a snug double bed, a spacious work area, an ensuite shower room, and ample storage space. But that's not all. The property also boasts a selection of spacious social areas, including a stunning private cinema room and fitness suite. Spend time with your friends in the gaming lounge, unwind on the exclusive roof terrace, or work until your heart's content in the modern study spaces. Speaking of location, you're just a short 10-minute walk from Coventry University and a quick drive from City College, Coventry. With excellent connectivity from prime bus stops like Park Road, Little Park Street, you're always well connected to the city. Plus, top dining spots like Dylan's Brewery and Spire Bar are just steps away. Ready for a legendary student life? Head on over at amberstudent.com, unveil the doors of 33 Parkside Coventry, and script your student saga today. Because education is an epic journey, and your accommodation should be just as legendary.